guys, this is Kale and I'm back to do another video for you guys. Hey, so I have another wig for you guys, and this is from a human hair company called Genius Wigs. Thank you, Genius Wigs, for providing this wig for me. I am ever so grateful. So this is the box. Did I already open it? Yeah. So that's the box to say Genius Wigs on it. What I got in the box, I got an elastic band. I guess if I want to put the elastic band onto the wig, which I probably would because my head is small and these human hair wigs be really big. Edge brush, which I be loving if they give me an edge brush. I got a clip. And I got this cute little headband. It's like a satin silk headband, which is cute. And a wig cap. We all need wig caps. Okay. So, time for the wig. I know for a fact that this is a wet and wavy wig that they sent me with crystal lace. Now, I've never had a crystal lace wig before, and that is intense. So I'm going to try my hardest not to totally mess this wig up. Okay, so yeah, here is the wig. So, here's the wig, and here she is. She is a curly to straight unit. So, ooh, them knots look pretty alright. They look pretty alright. So here it is. They look really good. I was going to bleach this wig a little bit more. I don't think I have to. I may not have to bleach the knots on here, y'all. And the hairline is obviously pre-plucked. Ooh, y'all, Genius and did something. And you get a lot of lace on this one. A lot of lace on this one. I believe she's 18 inches. And she kind of right now have that kinky straight type of vibe to her. But I do know, of course, you wet her and you can see the curl pattern in her. Or, of course, you can wear it straight and wear it kinky straight. So here goes the inside. Yeah, they pre-bleached this wig. And it smelled good like they washed it. Okay, girl. So here we go with the insides of her. She looked really good. She has a band in her. That's good. So maybe that's a band for me to lay down the edges. Because she does come with a band and an extended band with the bra straps on it, which I actually really like these a lot. They come with 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. So we have one on the side here, one in the middle, one on the side, and one in the back. It also has adjustable straps. This wig is constructed really well. Really well with the stretchy construction. This, ooh, okay. And they got the back flap so it lays down pretty flat. Like that a lot. And y'all know I am the president of the P-Head Club, so this is going to be my best friend. And when I have these, I actually do not use the adjustable straps in the back. I rather it feel a little loose somewhere, because sometimes wearing the band for extended time does hurt your head. But I'm excited, very much excited, and that was the first time I took it out the bag. But I did open the box, so I'm excited about this, y'all. So I don't have to bleach it. Alright, y'all, I'll be back with the wig on and looking much better than I do right now, because girl. So I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back with the wig from Genius Wig. I have the 2-in-1 style wet and wavy versatile wig, so this wig can be wet and it will revert into a curly unit. Now, I did do that so you guys can see. I don't know where I'm going to put it at. I am going to insert that clip of you wetting this hair to see the curl pattern of this wig. It is really pretty, but I actually wanted to have this big blown out curly look that I have right now. It is beautiful. Now, I have the lace on my arm. And throughout the video, y'all gonna see that I have this lace on my arm. Now, why I glued it to my arm was to ultimately see how it would melt, right? And also to test out this new adhesive spray that I'm using, which is Eben. But this ain't about Eben, so we ain't gonna worry about it. Now, this is the lace. I have the brown lace, the crystal lace, and the transparent lace. Now look at this, right? This has been on my arm for at least an hour. This is the transparent lace, which I feel like it's a little bit too light for my skin. So I feel like I would definitely have to tint this because look at it. So you will get a zoomed up. I did like do it on my phone so you can do a real zoom. Ooh, and I'm ashy. Y'all know how I feel about being ashy. But since I've said it, y'all know now it ain't no big deal. So just like this lace a little ashy. So I probably would go for the crystal lace because look at that lace. The brown lace look really good too because of course I'm brown, so it goes better with my skin tone because I'm brown. But this crystal lace is the one that's on this wig and it is absolutely amazing. Like look how good that's blended in. So this is, I put this on my arm with no tint, no anything. Go ahead and give me some lotion. I put this on my hand, on my hand with no tint or anything. So this is how it came. I'm so glad that they gave me that. That was so good of them to do that, so you can see the different lace textures. They actually do provide all three of them, so whatever you feel is better for you. I really do like the crystal lace. So if I decide to order from this company again, which I probably will because yes. That is awesome, and of course you will see the better version of it when I zoom that in, that I will insert that. So insert that, Kel. So I can get this video how it needs to be, and I want to give you guys all of the information. Now you can do all types of styles with this hair. This is 13 by 6. So she go back, okay, she go back. So you don't have to worry about that. She is ear to ear lace. Do you have to customize your ear tabs? You do, which I did not do, which I should have done. But there's a lot of things I should have done. So now that we got that out the way of how bomb this wig is, how beautiful it is, it actually is not tangling. It is not shedding. The flat iron went through it like a dream because I did curl this hair. That's why we got a little bit more volume than normal, right? So I did curl her up. Yeah, I probably put that in things I should have done. Now, to the things I should have done. I wanted to do a ball cap method with this wig, right? Because I saw that lace and I said, we gotta do a ball cap method. Because guess what? This wig and that lace deserves a ball cap method. I had never done one before and I've made every mistake that you could possibly do. All right? You will see it. Because like I said, I am working with you guys. I am learning with you guys. So I am not a wig guru like that. I just love a good wig, okay? So I did it. It looks a hot, smoldering mess under here. But the lace is so good you can't see it. The lace so good on this that you can't really see that I completely destroyed that ball cap method. It was so bad. Am I going to continue to work on it? Of course I have to. Like I can't just not just do it and say, nah, I ain't gonna never do that again. But that is dumb and I wouldn't do that. So I just need to get better on the ball cap method. But ultimately it kind of worked out. It don't look too bad. It don't look too crazy. It don't look crazy at all. What I did to adhere it, I used the Even Wonder Lace Adhesive Spray. I found this at my local beauty supply store. And if you live in Vegas, I found it at Lux, which is a newer beauty supply store. Craig and Revere, that's not, but it's hard to find things for us here in Las Vegas because we only have like 4 beauty supply stores, like 4 beauty supply stores that carry stuff for us. You know what I mean? And we have Sally Beauties on every corner. Seriously. So, if you're looking for this at Lux. I also did tint the lace just a tad bit. And I used the Even Tinted Lace Aerosol Spray. I got that, I believe, from Sam's Beauty. So, that's not that. But I want to show you guys what I've used and how I used it. So, you would know what to do and what not to do. This, awesome. Because this wig ain't going nowhere, honey. Nowhere. No place, as my granny would say. The wig ain't going no place. Now, it's on here. So that is really, really good. And if you do want to use like a bold hold or a lace glue, that would work great with this wig as well. I feel like this wig is so great that I probably should have took this one to a stylist. Because it's that good. And I didn't mess up the lace because there is still plenty of lace on here because they plucked it to a T. It looks amazing, but I'm not really a baby hair girl, so I didn't do all that good stuff to it. But this wig is absolutely amazing. Like I said, it is 18 inches. Wet and wavy, versatile, 2-in-1 style. 150. I'm gonna put that in because I don't know why I didn't write that down, but I think it's 150 density. Okay? But it feels thicker than that. It does feel thicker than that, y'all. It feels much thicker than that. But anywho, no tangling, no shedding, 18 inches, 150, and clear crystal lace. Okay, y'all? And this is wonderful. If you need to go ahead and get one of these here, look at that. She look real good. She look real good to say I don't know what I'm doing. To say that I don't know what I'm doing, she did real good. Do I want to cut a few layers in her? Yes, but I wanted to actually show you guys exactly what I did and how I did it, what I used. I did not glue it all the way down, which I should have, but I wasn't planning on wearing this wig all day. But all I have to do is spray it right there and put my elastic band back on it, and she's ready to wear all day. But that's it for this hair. She is beautiful, she is gorgeous, and I'm about to sit here and take a whole ton of pictures. But she's pretty. There's nothing else to even to say. I messed this wig up that badly and it still look alright. So that's a test to the wig and not to me because I'm trash. But anywho, that's it. Hopefully this is not too long of a video, which I think it will be just because of all the stuff I'm showing and trying to get to you in this video. But that is pretty much it for Genius Wigs. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you got something to tell me or how to do the ball cap method better, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section because I want to know, girl. Tell me. Go ahead and share this video with all of your wig loving friends. And of course, subscribe to me because I would love to have you a part of my wig loving family. Like, I love doing wigs like this. So thank you guys so much. And that's it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.